First.
So, guys, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, and I want to know from you. We are here for communication development. Okay.
Yes.
So, tell me one thing: how to build our confidence and how to communicate with someone with confidently. So, tell me
Okay.
about something, Vivek. Would you like to tell me?
Yeah. Why not? Okay. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Today I'm here because I want to improve my communication skill, presentation skill, and my about developing yourself. So today I'm going to share my thoughts how to develop your communication skill, presentation skill, and communication and developing yourself. So first of all, uh, nowadays you are going on tuition, go to institute for learning
Yeah.
and develop yourself and communication skill. But you are new.
Yeah,
Yeah, you are new.
yeah.
So first of all, you go on the stage, so you can't speak. You can't speak like any
Yeah.
topic. So I think.
Actually,
Yeah.
we are facing problem because we are beginner. When sir call us on the stage, then we hesitate because there are many person in front of us. We are able to talk with friends, but when we go on the stage, we hesitate. Am I right? Yeah.
So you are right. I am supporting you. So I think I suggest any activities like you want to do and improve yourself. First of all, I tell my story because I tell me sir is told me कि please go on the stage and tell me something about the topic. But some of the time I hesitate because most of the people are sitting and look at me. So I'm hesitate and I'm not
Yeah.
I'm not cannot
Exactly.
speak. So they are so I don't care कि I'm in institute. I'm can't talk about the topic वगैरह वगैरह.
Yeah.
So first of all, I want in my room. I come in room and I will try to speak yourself because in my room nobody. So I have opportunity to self to introduce myself and talk about my topics so I go front of mirror and same thing I face in institute. I can't speak there.
Yeah.
So I same thing I try to speak the front of mirror. Yeah, this is Miss and I suppose that there are many students.
Yeah.
Yeah, and try to talk about the everything.
Yeah.
Or like you can not able to speak any sentences. So first of all, you are beginner, so I am suggest you uh, you have to watch one videos about any teacher on YouTube which teacher study basically एकदम basically. So you can go and watch and try to speak their sentence more and more because you have built your confidence and this sentences repeat on your mouth. And then you after you go there on the stage, then try to speak these sentences because you are not hesitate because you are you will try more and more so you can speak easily. So I think that's my point. And please share I would like to say share uh, Mr. Eb Prasad, please say something about this communication, how to build communication, how to improve yourself. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity in the public speaking and in this park. We are also student of World Talk, and I am from Odisha. My name is Avi Prasad, and now we are talking about the how to build our communicate in the public places. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. First of all, I cannot understand how to build our communicate in the public places. Yes, and I think from the Vivek bro, he said that whenever we go to the on the we go on the stage,
Yeah.
we cannot remember, we cannot
Able to speak.
able to speak.
Blank everything.
Our mind is blanked. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, and then I learn from Vivek. Then after finish finishing the class, we come the room, and we can also try to try to speak something in front of the mirror. Yes, that's, and I learned from Kuldeep. He said that, um, you will just that you will improve day by day if you are able to, or every day you will work one work continuously.
21 days.
After 21 days you can increase or decrease, you may be realize. Yes, right.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Rahul sir, and I would like to say, please share about your thoughts. What do you think? How to develop our confidence? Okay.
Okay, first of all, good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Gupta. I am from Bihar, but currently I am pursuing BTech. But nowadays I live in Kapurthala in Lucknow because I have no knowledge about English. Not com- yeah, not English communication and build ourselves to speak and talk together and understanding English language. But I went go every day. Will take a shoot and and confidence confident uh, is build your speaking English and confidence push ourselves. Then not able to speak English, but I then realize ki day by day increase my thinking process and some words. But everyday practice is uh, everyday practice is very good. And then I have came here 10 days, 12 or 10 days I think. But I realized ki every day improve my skill, communication skill. I learn uh, every day concept of English and talk to many friends like two and three friends other state in park sitting circle and speak together any point and many types of activities. But they are every people's improve ourselves. uh, I realize better than better every day. uh, First day cannot speak I think more than a student, but I realized after 10 days I speak every student gradually increases.
And now I am suggest to Bandhu Dhakre from Maharashtra, share about his opinion, how to build and how to increase our communicating power in public places.
Thank you everyone for giving me this wonderful opportunity. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Bandu Dhakre. I am from Maharashtra, and I came here only 4 days before 4 days, and I am here came for learning English and improve myself. And first of all, I'm say how to learn English. If you want to learn English, you can watch motivational speech in English. You can lots of videos on English in YouTube. Lots of video available on YouTube. So you watch everyday videos and conversation with your friends, your colleagues, and then you automatically increase your English. You look a child. Every child is, is very small, but he can't speak any language. But first he listening and listening, maximum 2 and 3 years, and then they speak clear, means then they speak good. means his communication perfect. So English you can't learn 2 and 3 months. You want to learn English, give lots of time for English, and take consistency, because without consistency we can't speak English and improve yourself.